Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows computer that reads the number of connections to this computer is limited and all connections are in use right now. Try reconnecting later or contact your system administrator. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first method we will do is to modify limit connections at group policy editor. Kung paano ba yun natin gawin, all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. Pagsabayin mo lang yan. And pop up itong run. So dito lang sa box ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na gpedit.msc. So just type this command keyword gpedit.msc. That is one word, and itap mo lang dito yung OK. And once na open mo na itong local group policy editor, ang next step ay dito lang sa computer configurations, under nito ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung administrative template. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And the next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Windows components. So same, click yung arrow na yan para mag-expand ulit. And then dito sa Windows components, and then kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung remote desktop services. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down and i-locate natin tong remote desktop services. So same, i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung remote desktop session host, and then ito na siya. So click mo lang ulit yung arrow na yan para mag-expand ulit. And then dito sa remote desktop session host, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung connections. So one time click lang dito sa connections, at dito sa right side ay makikita mo na dito yung kanyang connections settings. And the next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito or i-select lang natin dito yung limit number of connections. Okay, so i-select mo lang dito yung limit number of connections. So select and mag-double click ka lang. And dito lang sa kanyang limit number of connection settings. And then dito lang sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung not configured or disabled. So either sa dalawa na yan, disabled or not configured. And then dito naman sa kanyang RD maximum connections allowed. So ilagay mo lang dito yung number 1, and then i-click mo lang dito yung apply, and i-click mo lang dito yung okay. So after dito sa local group policy editor, at dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix number of connections to this computer is limited and all connections are in use. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.